Welcome back, guys. On this video, I'm going to take a look at how to sketch a quadratic function, or how to sketch a parabola. Actually, some other people call it parabola. It's still the same thing. So to sketch a parabola, what you need is to know the turning point. The turning point. Actually, not let you don't just the word turning point. I think here it is not that much popular. You have to know the y-intercept, which is the easy thing that you can be able to find, and also know the x-intercept. If you know these two things, you can be able to sketch your graph very easy. So what is the y-intercept of this graph? On our previous video, we've been doing this kind of stuff. The y-intercept is going to be equals to 0 and -1. So if this is your first time watching this video, you can go and watch our previous video. You're going to understand absolutely everything. Why we say our y-intercept is 0 and -1. Then, perfect. So what about our x-intercept? Our x-intercept. Remember, when we are looking for the x-intercept, we have to let y be equal to 0. So I'm going to put 0 on the y-axis. I'm going to x squared minus 1. From here on, I'm going to take this one to the other side. It's going to be 1, which is equals to x squared. And then we square both sides. Remember, when we square, we have to get two answers. So our value of x, the first one is going to be 1, or the x is going to be equals to -1. And then remember, these are not the x-intercept, that these are the x-coordinate. The x-intercept are the coordinates like this. 1 is to 0 and -1 is to 0. So these are the x-intercepts. So finding this, you are done. You can be able to sketch your graph very easy. So our graph is going to be something like this, actually. Perfect. So if you have watched our videos whereby we're trying to understand the behavior, okay, let me just locate the points first. Now, so -1 is going to be here and 1 is going to be here, and our y-intercept is going to be -1, which is here, -1. So these are the points that we can be able to help us to sketch the graph. You can see the shape is just coming out by itself without us stressing anything. If you can be able to find the x-intercept, then you can be able to do this. It's very easy. Now you can try this one by yourself and see if you can get the right answer. Try to pause it and try to sketch this one by yourself, So now let's just do it. First one, we're going to look for the y-intercept. The y-intercept is very easy. It's going to be what? It's going to be 0 and 8, Perfect. I don't think you don't need to understand the shape of it. If you can be able to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, you're going to find absolutely everything very easy here. So the x-intercept, as we usually look for it, we have to let y be equal to 0. Put 0 here, -2x squared plus 8. Then I'm going to take this 8 to the other side. But what I like to do is to take this negative number to the other side so that I can be able to avoid the negatives. So then we're going to have 2x squared, which is equals to 8. You can do it in any way that you like. You're still going to get the same answer. We're going to divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. And then our x squared is going to be equals to what? It's going to be equals to 4 here. So since this is the quadratic, we have to get two answers. So we're going to square both sides. And then when we square both sides, we're going to get the positive and the negative square root of this number. And then the positive one is going to give you 2, or x is going to be -2. Remember, the number that we're going to get is always going to be the same number. Here on grade 10 only. So from here on, our intercept is going to be 2 and 0 and -2 and 0. Having this, we can be able to sketch our graph very easy. So here is going to be our graph first. Our intercept is going to be -2 and 2, and then our value of is 8. Now, so the 8 is going to be somewhere here. This is 8 now. So our graph here, even if you don't understand the shape, if you find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, it's going to show itself here because these are the points. And then you can be able to see because this one is going to go in this manner. So this is how to sketch this graph. See you on my next video. Sharp.